install a A&N exhaust system, part number 67-3026 on a 2018 GMC Sierra, the 5.3. Take out the old system. There's nothing wrong with it, except it's just too quiet. And let's see if we can get a sound on the stock exhaust. Start up. Compare that to the new one once it's installed. All right. System installed. This is first start. Definitely a deeper tone. We'll do a highway test in the future. So my honest review, 15 minutes into having the K&N exhaust on the truck. It sounds really good, 1,000, 1,200 RPMs. But when it gets up to 1,800, 2,000, it's really obnoxious. I'm only putting around 30 miles an hour, which is the speed limit in the town that I live in. I've got the couple windows open and the sliding rear window open. And the drone is only noticeable, again, this is a 15-minute review, only noticeable around the 2,000 RPM, especially under load or under decel. When the truck is deciding to switch from V4 to V8, it really sounds stressed, and it's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Interesting note, when I run the range AFM disabler, I don't hear that snap between first and second gear under load. Seems the range disabler eliminates that. So to get that nice little burble snap between the two shifts, you got to run without. Then you got to deal with this annoying V4 sound. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it sounds like a helicopter that's rather constipated and begging to be put into V8. But it's what we got. So would I do this again? I'll let you know after a 2-hour highway trip. But initial thoughts are, I definitely like the rumble. You can hear it rumbling at an idle, and the truck sounds pretty good from the inside. Not sure about how it sounds outside. I'll have to get my wife to drive it. She'll gladly do a high-speed pass for me.